Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by pairing the camera to the app. Open Leica Camera and choose Add Device. Make sure the camera's Wi-Fi or Bluetooth is active, then tap the model name in the app. Once done, grant camera, location, and storage permissions so images and controls flow between devices. You should see a live thumbnail or connection icon. If not, retry pairing and confirm both devices are on the same network. This step establishes control and file transfer before you change exposure or modes. Once paired, you control exposure and focus remotely. Tap Mode to choose Auto, Aperture, Shutter, or Manual. You want Manual for full control, but Aperture priority is faster for portraits. Then adjust ISO and shutter speed. Lower ISO for cleaner images and slower shutter for motion blur. Use the on-screen slider to change aperture where supported. Watch the live histogram and preview so you know why values change the image. You can also tap to focus on a subject and lock AE/AF when framing a Now you capture and move files. Press the remote shutter in the app or set an interval timer for time lapses. Review images in the app gallery to confirm exposure. When transferring, choose RAW for editing or high-quality JPEG to save space, and enable auto-download if you want images on your phone immediately. If the connection drops, restart the app, toggle the camera's Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, and repair. Also check battery levels and update the app or camera firmware if problems persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.